It's game time! Match versus Leones Accessories and Blue Devils with the bubbles. Number 13, Soy Tonsai. Number 30, Luca. Number 75, GLB. Number 11, C. And number 16, Leones Accessories. For Blue Devils, number 11, Malili Jan. Number 22, Chardex. Number 1, Godornes. Number 73, Emphasis. And number 19, Boss Rabor. It's game time! This game is brought to you by Soy Tonsai Basketball Phenomenal. And we would like to thank Boss Gab Bobeles Disco Mobile for our speaker and microphone. Okay. May tag-maabot ni Pito para padayon ng luwa. Na-forfeit ang first game, so kanina second game, may nang-out may maabot ni Pito. Godornes. First layup is no good. GLB, nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by John Balili. Pass to C. Pass to Luca. Luca, pull up J. Masyado malakas. Chardex with the rebound. Chardex, pull ahead. John Balili. Almost steal. Bawas ta? Bawas ko ba agad say? Sorry. Bito. Bito, one nice pass to Rabor. Rabor, 2 points. May tang-maabot og Bito. Soy Tonsai with the new shoes driving. Soy Tonsai. Almost. Lost the handle. John Balili. John Balili pass to Arabasos. Bartolaba. Bartolaba pull up 3. Ayay. Abiba ng legal wipe. C. No good. Chardex. Forward to John Balili. John Balili. Easy 2 points. Lumian show pa. Salamat juga yung Derek Alberio sa among show pa diri sa kamisa. Nang inaot ko nga na yung mga taga mo soft drinks. Para kompleto na. Ay, ang among gi-request sa mga legal wife, wapa dyan nabot yun. Askang, di katawaan ako kabi. Out of bounds, 8 minutes and 24 seconds in the first quarter. Godornes may hawak ng bola. Godornes, pull up from free throw, wala. C with the rebound. Oh, saan man? Second quarter din, second quarter ay. So Tonsai with the new shoes, wala ang 3. Rebound by Leones Accessories. Leones, shot clock 14. Leones, masyadong malakas. Rebound by Bito. Steal by Luca. Wala gayapon. Grabe ang malasas matusa. Bito. Steal by Soy Tonsai. Soy Tonsai nagmamadali. Wala gayapon. Ang shot na day. Soy Tonsai, 2 points with the new shoes. Rabor. Rabor, wala. Black by C. 2 points by Rabor. Basitis Argao with the Bihag Manox. Okay sa man. Today buhay nga ni mo. Luca driving. Luca pull up J. Wala short. 16 Rabor with a rebound. 19 day. Bito. Chardex. Nice pass to Godornes. Back to Chardex. Chardex. Losing the handle. Chardex pass to Bito. Nice pass. 3 seconds. Violation. Leones, pass to Bartolaba. GLB, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Soy Soy. Soy Soy, bullet pass to C. C, traveling. Believe juga ng orange kaya kompleto dyan kadalasan kaladuwa. Varsity Argao, Soy Tonsai with the new shoes. Rabiha. Varsity sa Prince, Soy Tonsai with the new shoes. Tagahan na niya. Nice block by Leones. Rebound by John Balili. Nice drop to Beto. Beto with the gym. 2 points. Pag-gym na. Mabitang gahit na kayo na. GLB pass to Leones. Back to GLB. Nice pass. Walang yapon. Abiba na din mga legal wife. Wag yapon na shot. Chardex. Chardex nagmamadali. Pass to Godornes. Almost losing the handle. Out of bounds. Soy Tonsai, bullet pass to GLB. GLB, nagdadalawang isip. GLB with a drop with the C. C pull up. Wala, rebound by Rabor. Balili. John Balili. John Balili. 2 points by John Balili. Sus, sayang nga aning biyaan na mapurpit. 10 ang score. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Luka again. Luka, pull up 3. Masyadong malakas. Chardex. Chardex. Guarded by Bartolaba. Chardex, lumusot. Foul. Time out na ka ng blue. Kumasyat? Di pwede, kayo nyo bola. Chardex first free throw, no good. Ang salad, wala na yung bugnaw. Kaya na stranded. Nahilis. Second free throw for Chardex, good. Sayang nga sa Abiba sa mga legal wife niya, hindi makomplito ba? Sa'yo tatugan eh. So itong Sai with the new shoes, pass to Jelby. Jelby again, 1-3, no good. Chardex with the rebound. Chardex ng modali, nice pass to John Balili. John Balili, gikot. Og na shoot.
Kuwang
Jelby. Kuwang nga po ng blue. Jelby. Ano bang? Godornes, may hawak na bola. Pass to Beto. Beto, pass to Rabor. Pull up 3. Short. Rebound by, who's gonna outref? Dennis ball. Varsity sa Argao. Bullet pass to Luka. Nice pass. Kuya, mura na sa si Lebron Jud. Mura na si Lebron. Kaya mga bullet pass inana ba? Kuha kayo. Legit yan, legit. Ako ang lang, mudank. Luka. First free throw for Boss Luka. First free throw is good.
Pangamo din.
Ha? Kanya kami? Second free throw for Boss Luka. Wala. Rebound by Boss Luka. Steal by Godornes. John Balili. Nagmamadali. John Balili. Nice layup. 2 points by John Balili. 15-3 ang score. Murag ipagbigyan na yung Leones kay bonus lang porpit. Leones, Soy Tongsay. Soy Tongsay. Wala gyapon. Wala, dili legit ang status. Uy!
Nagrawa ang
Uy, thank you. Salamat mga legal wives sa among kuanay salad. Uy, kuha ko sa Mama B. Namas dadang na rin, ikuha man. Nagulang nagkuha sa dadang. John Balili, wala. Rebound by Bartolaba. Power rebound by Bartolaba. Bartolaba. Pass to the referee, Calverio, for the shot foul. Timak. Nice pass to Rabor. One connection by Chardex and Rabor.
Uy, kuwang pa na rin. Kuwang ang dadang.
Steal! Beto. Look, grabe na Beto eh. Kung ano sa atin, gabuin nyo ni mo daw. Sa itang side, nindutag kapit sa sapatos eh. Nindot kay Guan. So itong side, 2 points. Galisod-usolte ang commentator kay Gagaon. Godornes. Pass to Chardex. Chardex pull up jumper. Short. GLB. GLB nagpalap. 2 points. Pakpakoy, legal wipe. Beto. Foul number 16. Leone. First personal foul.
Oh, ako kadawa sa kansalada.
First free throw for Beto, no good. Yummy, yummy. Beto, second free throw, wala. Chardex with the rebound. 16. John Balili, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Chardex. Chardex pull up jumper from downtown. Wala, rebound by C. Bartolaba ahead. Nice pass to Luka. Luka, binali. Wala, sayang nga. Kuya, o, di ba kasulong mong libro, no? Mabali naman ang... Magbali-bali naman. Short by Rabor. Yunis with the rebound. Pass to JLB. JLB again. Driving. Pass to Luka. Luka, fell away layup. Wala. Jan Balili with the rebound. Number 73, emphasis, 2 points. Shout out sa atong fish off player, Sir Alfred Duarte. Number 777, Lucky 7. Yone with the rebound. Soy Tong Sai. What a move! What a shot by Soy Tong Sai with the new shoes. Varsity Sarangao ug sa Prince. Chardex, 2 points. Lagi ayo ang kon. 1A. Patay na mo diha. 1A. Last 45 seconds. Bartolaba. Luka. Short.
Oh, imna.
Godornes.
Imna nil.
Chardex. Rabor. Pass to Chardex. Chardex short. Chardex again. 2 points. $20 seconds. Sus, no 23 ang skoro siya nga ni. Jan Balili, 2 points.
Perfect day.
Grabe puro man yan, undefeated ang Lunes o ang Jejo Leay. Mga wala pildig.